If your Toyota shows a C1201 code, it can sound serious, but understanding what it really means makes diagnosis much easier. The C1201 code doesn't usually point to a direct mechanical failure. Instead, it indicates a communication issue between the engine control module and the ABS module. These systems constantly share data to manage engine performance and braking stability. When that communication is interrupted, the code appears. In most cases, C1201 is a secondary code, meaning another underlying problem triggered it. Important steps. 1. Start with a full OBD2 scan and check for additional trouble codes, especially engine-related P codes. 2. Test the battery voltage and ensure it stays above 11.5 volts to prevent module communication loss. 3. Inspect ground connections and wiring harnesses for corrosion, looseness, or damage. 4. Check sensors such as the mass airflow or throttle position sensor for faults. 5. Examine the CAN bus wiring if you have access to advanced diagnostic tools. 6. If the root cause isn't clear, seek professional diagnosis to prevent ABS or stability system issues.